Okay, guys. The video before this one, me and Mom cleared out a low water bridge that had about 7 culverts. They were just full
Come here, Blue.
of debris.
Blue, come here. Come on up here.
What's wrong? Oh.
If she lets that loose, you're going to be in the way.
They were full of debris. It took us about 45 minutes to clear it all. This is the
This
same
is
river
so steep. I don't know if I can get
downstream.
down here.
So you can see here, look at all this. I mean, you can see all this debris floating. And I know a river has debris, but
I know you guys don't like this, but
this
I'm gonna
is
let
where
you
it
right
comes
here,
down
'cause I can't
to,
get
and
down
it's
there.
already
so steep.
gotten down here. And it's, yeah, you can see the debris from it. So this is a huge opening. We've got 2 culverts over there. We're going to go clear those because those are blocked up. But this is a huge opening that doesn't have anything in it. Blocking it, I mean. Comes out this way. Continues on. And then,
Huh?
What's wrong?
Well,
I
it's
don't know
so
what she's
steep, I
saying
didn't
to
want
me.
to get
Hold on.
down there.
What is it?
It's too steep for me to get down there. You want
Oh.
to try it?
Just do it from above.
And I
It's
don't
okay.
walk up in there.
Huh? Yeah, let's
Look
just
how
do it
it's
from above,
circling.
Mom. That's okay.
Yeah, I think that's good enough. I just don't want the dogs knocking that over.
You got both of them? Because we're unclearing both of them.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So yeah, this goes up this road. There's actually a yellow gate because it goes to a lease in some property that public doesn't have public access. So we're not going to go that far, obviously. And now we got to get down here somehow. So we'll get back to you in a second. Miss Lily Goose. Miss Lily Goose. Okay, we're back. Whoa. Yeah, just move it to the middle, I guess. Keep going, Lou. Hold on, Mom. Okay, go ahead. Lucy was blocking the camera with her booty. You're okay, Miss Lou. Do what you want, pretty girl.
Watch out, Jen.
There we go. Nice.
Yep, that one went all the way through.
Nice. Heidi.
Sometimes it's one stick that
Yep.
blocks everything.
All right, there it goes. Awesome, awesome.
We've never been here where it's been flowing through these.
Oh yeah, no, it usually is not up to these 2 culverts when we come here. But it did rain, not last night, but the night before.
Yeah. All right, I'll send all the big stuff through the big opening.
Mom. Okay. You ready? I'm just going to drag it.
You need to come up?
No, I'm just going to drag it.
Okay, go ahead.
Maybe. Ow.
Woo, big splash. Yeah, the other
Oh,
creek we
got
did's
stuck.
up there, so a lot of this debris you see is coming from up there.
Fart. Mom. You have to go down there anyway.
Why? Oh,
That got stuck and mine got stuck.
how rude. I'll go
Because
down
we're
there.
idiots.
I can
But it's
probably-
fun.
I'm going to set this right here. You take care of that. I can probably get through here.
Here, let me help you. Look out, Blue. Good Lord.
Blue, stay back.
No. Come up here. Do not jump. Just leave it if it's too dangerous, Mom.
What if this is too fast to walk in? Yeah. them with me because this one's stuck here. As long as I can hang on to this, I'm okay. Whoa.
Whoa. God, I didn't know there was more of it.
That's it, though.
Was there two in there?
No, yeah, there was two.
Oh, okay. I thought there was just one. Smells weird. Smells like a copperhead snake or something.
Ooh.
Okay, both of them clear. A little bit of danger, but we're okay.
Oh, that'll be a scratch, I'm sure.
Yeah, I mean, you might have gone downstream a little bit, but I think we would have tried to.
Oh, I wouldn't have.
Look at Lucy just peeing right in the middle of the road. Hello? That's not very ladylike. Guys, you will recognize where we're at. These two culverts on this creek. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Yeesh. Trying to give you all a headache. This culvert right here has got gunk sticking out the... I got your microphone. It's got gunk sticking out the bottom, at the end. So we're going to do that. And there may be a clog here, there may not. But yeah, it's probably all at the exit. Well, I'm just going to let you do that and it might just come on through.
Okay, it might.
Be careful about snakes. This is where we usually have a snake come out the culvert or something, you know. I'm going to let you do that and we'll see if it
There's a bunch here.
comes out. Puppies, where'd they go?
I don't know.
They'll wander back. You want the potato rake yet?
Not yet.
Oh my gosh.
It's all coming out right now, I think.
Oh, cool.
Oh, that's
Well,
a
it
big
sounds
one.
like
No
it.
wonder it's stuck. Look how big this one stick is. They crammed in there.
Grief.
Yeah. Go ahead and give me the potato rake.
You're starting to get water flowing in it now. Oh yeah.
Whoa, there's a bunch of it wet. I think that's it on that one. Well, wait a minute, I see another stick. Okay, that is good.
Let me go.
Flowing good now.
Let me go. Oh, you're gonna check
There's
that
some
one.
at this one too.
Let me go see if I see them.
Oh, there's some at the entrance on this one. Oh goodness, I got the sniffles.
These puppies don't need to get that far away. Oh no. Come here, Blue. Oh no. Come here. Come here. Oh, look at it, Mama.
Oh, is he scared?
Airplanes scare him, you know. We've learned that the hard way. He don't like airplanes.
He's looking up like, what is that?
Oh no. He says, I'm short, but it could get me. Okay. He's gone.
Look at the exit and see if that pile comes out.
There's a bunch of debris getting heavier.
Did it come out?
I don't see a huge. Oh yeah, there.
There it
it
is.
goes.
Okay, well, this clear now.
When we pulled up, it didn't look like anything was in these culverts besides just that one stick sticking out of there.
Yeah, look at all
You
that.
never can tell sometimes.
Where is Blue? I need to give him a bath. He rolled
I'm
in
looking to see if
something.
there's any snakes came out of all that
Come on,
debris.
puppies. Come on, Blue.
Blue's got to get a bath. He rolled in something dead. Let's see if any snakes came out.
Come on, Blue. Let's go look
For
at
some
the
reason,
water.
this culvert, the snakes.
Come on, pretty
survived
boy.
a lot. All right, we're gonna let this run for a bit, and you guys can watch it while Blue's getting a bath.
Come here, Blue. Over here. Come on. Come here, boy. Yeah.
You check the entrance of this one? Oh no. He will not be accepted into the pack if he's clean, Mom. Darn it.
Okay. Stick your
Blue.
booty in here. Nope, you gotta stay here till I rinse you off. You know what? Come out here where it's deep. There we go. That's much easier.
Don't drown him, please, Mom.
There you go. Just don't roll in anything dead anymore, okay? Silly boy.
He's gonna go find something immediately.
All right. I got a
Okay.
towel in the car.
We
so-
got this one?
Yeah.
We good?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're good on this one.
Alrighty, guys, we're gonna go see if we can find some more.
That just looks like a water snake, but what do I know? There's a glare. I can't tell real good. Pretty though, isn't it? All right, so me and Jennifer were getting ready to clear this beaver blockage. And look who comes along but the highway department, and they're getting ready to do it with their tractor. So they said I could put it on video. But this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna pause it, and then when I get ready, I'll start you again.
the exit.
Oh, good. I'm just wondering about that.
Nice.
Cool.
Very cool.
Yeah. That's really running through there now.
And a lot less time it takes.
I know. That was cool, wasn't it? Jennifer's got the exit over there. did a good job on that one. I'm glad they let me film and doing that. One's out. Look at that. There's a pond over there.